Today on the farm, we're having our first real snowstorm. 8 inches to 12 inches expected in the next 2 days. Nice cool breeze. Let's check on the main flock. Brought rice and bread, homemade bread. Stay inside, friends. Here's Frosty, her first real snow. Brave Red's first real snow. We got to keep him in here so nobody gets locked out in the cold. Colden, the crazy. And then we spread out. Can you close that door a little bit? There you go, buddies. Share nicely. We've already been out here once today. They even laid us some eggs. There's Brave Red, our young cockerel. Frosty turns out as a cockerel too. We thought she was a pullet, but he is a cockerel. And then the younger generation, there's Little Mac, the cockerel, Midnight, the pullet, and where's Connor Red? You see Connor Red? Oh, there she is. The veterans, main flock. They like rice, don't they?
Oh, yes, they do.
Come on, girls, let's spread out some more over here. Winter games.